Good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is not going to be word, but words. We're going to do several words today. We're actually going to go over colors in Navajo. So to begin, let's begin with red. To say red in Navajo, you say Łichíí, Łichíí, red. To say yellow in Navajo, you say Łitso, Łitso. Yellow, Łitso. To say orange in Navajo, you can say it either two ways. You can say Yéego, Łitso, Yéego, Łitso, which means it's really yellow. Yéego, Łitso. Yéego means like a lot of it. Yéego, more of it, with emphasis. It means a lot of different things based on how you use it in a sentence. So Yéego, Łitso means like really, really yellow. Yéego, Łitso. You can also say Łitsxo, Łitsxo, which has more of an emphasis than Łitso. Certain words, if you add more of an emphasis to it, it makes it more like if you're saying like Dootł'izh, I don't want it, Dootł'izh. Or if you say Dootł'izh, I really don't want it, Dootł'izh. It means I really, really don't want it. Same way, you can say Łitso for yellow, or you can say Łitsxo for orange, really, really yellow, Łitsxo. If you spell it in Navajo, there's an X in there, which means the emphasis, Łitsxo. The next one, blue and green. So both blue and both green, both of them are Dootł'izh, Dootł'izh. So you have to add an extra word to it to kind of distinguish between blue or green. So to say green in Navajo, to say green, you have to say Chilgo Dootł'izh, Chilgo Dootł'izh. Chil means plant in Navajo. Dootł'izh is either blue or green. So when you're saying, if you're saying Chilgo Dootł'izh, you're saying like plant green or plant blue. Chilgo Dootł'izh, like a plant. You can also say Tátł'idgo Dootł'izh, Tátł'idgo Dootł'izh. Tátł'id is basically the green algae that you can find in water that's tátł'id. So if you say Tátł'idgo Dootł'izh, it means like algae green or algae blue. For blue, you say Yágo Dootł'izh, meaning Ya means sky. So if you say Yágo Dootł'izh, it means like sky blue. Yágo Dootł'izh. For purple, it actually comes from the Navajo word of a plant, Colorado 4 o'clock. That's the name of a particular plant that grows in this area, and in Navajo we call it Tsédídééh, Tsédídééh. And that's our Navajo word for purple, Tsédídééh, because the flowers are purple. It literally means it falls on a rock because it's kind of where it grows. It typically grows on top of a rock, this Colorado 4 o'clock. So Google it, and that's what the plant, that's where the name of purple comes from that plant, from the flower. Tsédídééh, Tsédídééh. Next one, brown. So to say brown in Navajo, you say Dibéłchí'í, Dibéłchí'í, brown, Dibéłchí'í. Last one, black. So to say black in Navajo, you say Łizhin, Łizhin, black, Łizhin. So if you want to practice your Navajo and you want to meet with people and kind of practice what something is, to say what color is it, you would say Di hait'áo naashch'a. Di means this, so what color is this? So you would have to hold up something like Di hait'áo naashch'a, and you would say it's black. Łizhin. You would say Adonana disha, Di hait'áo naashch'a. You can either say Di Tátł'idgo Dootł'izh or Di Chilgo Dootł'izh. You would say this is green, this is algae green, this is plant green. Chilgo Dootł'izh. Adonana disha. What about this? This is brown. Di Dibéłchí'í, Dibéłchí'í. You would say that is brown. Dibéłchí'í, or Di Dibéłchí'í if you're holding it. Di Dibéłchí'í. This is brown. Or you can say Disha di hait'áo naashch'a. A ya a hello liene. Tsédídééh. Tsédídééh, it's purple. Tsédídééh. Or you can say, what color is this? Disha di hait'áo naashch'a. Dinék'ehí, this is red. Dinék'ehí. So that's how you can say it. Hait'áo naashch'a. What color is it? And that's your Navajo words of the day, the colors. Have a good evening, and I hope you enjoyed that.